Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Stock Items Screen Sidebar. The Stock Items Screen includes a sidebar on the right that offers extra options and details about the stock items. In this sidebar, you can access the item's information and print barcodes for individual items. Additionally, bulk actions allow you to print barcodes for multiple items simultaneously. In this video, we will start on a Stock Setup screen, Stock Items tab. For more information regarding the Stock Setup screen, please refer to the Stock Setup screen, Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the desired stock item. You are able to select multiple stock items as well by clicking on their respective checkboxes. Next, click on the Sidebar Expander to extend the sidebar. The Stock Item sidebar will open. The actions or bulk actions allow you to print barcodes for singular or multiple stock items. Click on the Print Barcode button. The Print Barcode screen will open with a list of all the items that have been selected. From here, you can click on the quantity field to add the number of barcode labels that you would like to print for the corresponding item. Tick or untick the Print checkbox if you would like to include or exclude the corresponding item from the barcodes that will be printed. Once done, click on the OK button. The print screen will open where you are able to either print or download the barcodes. Next on the sidebar will be all the relevant information regarding the stock item selected. This information will encompass details such as the name, presentation, strength presentation, and additional relevant data. Please note that not all fields will have information, as the information that is displayed is dependent on the type of stock item that has been selected. Click on the Levels Breakdown button to view stock levels. The Stock Level List screen will open. For more information regarding how the Stock Level List screen works, please refer to the Stock Level List screen, Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description.